You're looking at a 2022 Cruisers Yachts 46 Cantas. Trade-in here at Pompano Beach, Florida, MarineMax. Fins up is the name. Hydraulic swim platform. Beautiful slate gray hull color. KVH track vision on the boat. Storage. Barbecue. Actually put some drink holders slash rod holders in the back too. Very cool. Take a look at the upholstery here real quick. Shows you the colors. Nice high gloss wood table. That's your sure shade out the back. Ice maker in the cockpit here. It's also got a refrigerator. Really nice interior. Television, high gloss, woodwork, refrigerator, freezer, convection microwave. Really clean boat. This is as clean as my new boats. It's got the Volvo IPS 600s in it. That's the upgraded motors. Twin Garmin units, the glass helm. One-piece windshield, big opening sunroof. Walking down into the foyer. You have your VIP guest stateroom forward here with storage lockers on both sides. And this is your guest head. It's not a wet head, it is a full-size shower and it's huge. Looking back out. Private access into the master stateroom here. Lots of storage. This is a full beam master on a 46 with a chaise lounge on one side and the port side and nice storage on the other. Queen size bed. Let's see if this one has the washer dryer here. Does have the combo unit. Nice television up here. Central vacuum on the boat. And this is your master bath. Again, full stand-up shower. Again, this is a 2022 Cruisers Yachts 46 Cantas. About just under 300 hours on the engines. Thanks for watching today.